morning children, welcome. Narayana live classes key discussion. Okay, Narayana live classes key discussion, social studies class 7, topic is Europe, assignment number is 4. Assignment number is 4. So yesterday we have learned about the Europe location, what are the boundaries of Europe and what are the other different things in the Europe that and all we have learned. Today we will learn only the maps of Europe, that is both political map and the physical map. Based upon this map discussion, we are going to have the assignment key. So, see children, in the textbook, they have given the political map and physical map. Based upon that, the assignment has been designed. See here, this is the Europe political map. And political map means you know very well, that is different countries, the white colored one, that is a different country. That is not in the European continent. That is not in the European continent, but that is a different continent. That is why it is shown in a different color. And that is white color, right children? So based upon that, first question, what is the first question? The Asian country which is there, that is which is there towards the south of the Black Sea. South of the Black Sea. See here, where is Black Sea? Black Sea and Caspian Sea. You can see both three important blue colored ones. One is Mediterranean Sea. The second one is Black Sea, like a small Australia. Caspian Sea, like a sea horse. So these are the three. In this Black Sea, what is the south of that? What is towards the south? The south of the Black Sea is Turkey. So first question answer is option C, Turkey. Option C, Turkey is the answer for the first question. Okay, and see the next question. The country which is towards the east of the Mediterranean Sea. I told you that water bodies, no, Mediterranean Sea. Where is the Mediterranean Sea? This is the Mediterranean Sea. And towards the east of Mediterranean Sea, see what is there, which is the country towards the east of the Mediterranean Sea, very long tube like thing, that is Italy. What is that? That is Italy. So Italy is the answer for the second question. So Italy, option B. Option B, Italy is the answer for that question. So that is towards the eastern side of the Mediterranean Sea. Towards the eastern side of the Mediterranean Sea is the Italy. And now see the river which is not towards the south of the North Sea. Where is North Sea? See here, this is North Sea. You can see very clearly. This is North Sea. This is North Sea. So North Sea south. North Sea south means this particular part. In this particular part, what river is not there? What are the rivers that are there? River Rhine. River Rhine is here, that is towards the north. Elbe, that is also towards the south. Towards the south. River Rhine is towards the south. River Elbe is towards the south, and that is these are towards the south side only. Then that is West Dwina. That is not there in the West Dwina is not there in the south, but it is towards the eastern part. Towards the eastern part. So that is the next one. That is River West Dwina. What is option? Option C. Option C is the right answer. Okay. And now the next one is, see this Aegean Sea is towards which side of the Dinaric Alp Mountains? Where are these Dinaric Alp Mountains? See here. Dinaric Alp Mountains. Where are these Dinaric Alp Mountains? These are the Dinaric Alp Mountains. And Aegean Sea is this side. So, towards which side of these Dinaric Alp Mountains is the Aegean Sea? That is towards the south. That is towards the south. So, option D. Option D, south is the answer for that. South is the answer for that. Now see the next one, that is Scandinavian ranges are running through which country? Where are these Scandinavian, these are the Scandinavian ranges. See these Scandinavian ranges. Where are these Scandinavian ranges? In which country? See this political map, you can see very clearly. That is here. That is here. Norway and Sweden. Norway and Sweden. So, what are the countries that they have given here in the options? The options are given as England. England, it is here, this side. So, this is not there. Scandinavian area, it is not there. Next one is Norway. Norway is there. Norway is there in the Scandinavian ranges. Next one is Finland. Finland is this one. In this Scandinavian ranges are not there. Greece. Greece is here. So, only thing is Norway. The correct option is Norway. Option B, Norway. Option B, Norway is the answer. And next one is, the next question is, see, Pyrenees are the ranges in between which countries? Pyrenees are the ranges in between which countries? See here, these are the Pyrenees mountains. These are the Pyrenees mountains. These Pyrenees mountains, see here, these Pyrenees mountains, they are in which countries? See, this is Spain and this is France. So, in between which countries? Spain and France. Spain and France. Spain and France. In between these two countries are the Pyrenees. So, Pyrenees are in between Spain and France. Option B. Option B, Spain and France. These are the MCQs. Okay, children. Now let us learn about the countries that are there in and around the Danube River. Countries that are there in and around the Danube River. What are the countries that are there in and around the Danube River? What are the countries, children? See, if you can see very clearly, the countries are Switzerland, Switzerland. You see that in your textbook, in the that is in the physical map and in the political map, you can see very clearly. Switzerland, France, Belgium, Netherlands, and along with Belgium and Netherlands, Germany. Germany. These are the countries that are there near that particular river, that is Danube River. Okay, children. Now, what are the countries that are there find around the Black Sea? That means which are around the Black Sea? What are the countries? See, Turkey. Already we have discussed in the first question. Turkey. Second one is Bulgaria. Third one is Romania. Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania, and that is Ukraine and Moldova. These are the countries. These are the countries that are around the Black Sea. So, children, Switzerland, France, Belgium, Netherlands, and Germany are there. Switzerland, France, Belgium, Netherlands, and Germany are there in and around Danube River. Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania, Ukraine, and Moldova are there in and around the Black Sea. Right, children? Tomorrow we will meet with one more assignment key. Until then, children, have a nice day and have a wonderful health. Thank you.